Hi everyone, welcome back to Island Mama, where we love food and travel. So today, remember we did a journey from Ontario to Alberta, Calgary. So today we're finally moving into our unit, and I want to share with you our experience with Uhaul transporting our stuff from the storage that we have into our unit, the cost of the U-Haul, and the whole process of it here in Calgary. Hey babe,
hi.
What's the process of getting a U-Haul to transport our belongings to our unit?
Oh, it was as easy as making a phone call. So they're pretty straightforward, and they're giving you the prices based on insurance and the kilometers and so forth, various size of the trucks, information you could get online. I actually came myself because I just wanted to have a look at the trucks myself so I can assess the size that I actually need. Okay. So either way is fine.
Okay, good. Do they need any credit card or anything? Do you need payment upfront?
No. I'm here actually collecting a truck, and that's when I'll put a pre-authorized amount for the estimated use of it, and I'll get a refund at the end or so.
Okay, cool. According to the kilometers.
That's right, mainly according to the kilometers, because the insurance
how much per
is fixed.
Kilometer they charge?
You know, it's somewhere between 69 cents and maybe 99 cents. That's probably the average that I've been hearing.
I see. Sweet. Okay, thank you.
No problem. Uh-huh.
You just have to scan it, and they'll ask you to return your own truck.
And just say...
they'll ask you for the gas and mileage. When you enter it, then they'll charge your credit card.
I see.
So firstly, we are coming here, picking up our U-Haul. We're parking our vehicle because when we bring back the U-Haul, we need our vehicle to go back home. It's a venture. Follow me. So what's good is we have a cigarette lighter. We could walk with our cords, plug on our USB to charge our phone. So while we're at it, please take a picture of your dashboard, the mileage, where the gas meter is reading, so that you'll know for the end of your journey, you have to refill the gas up to the same point. And we're off. Just for your edification, after signing documents in the office of Uhaul, and we came inside the vehicle, then whoever name is on the documents as a designated driver, they will get a text that you will have to click on the link in the text, and it is a confirmation of the agreement and the conditions that you got the vehicle in and stuff like that, and you could upload pictures. So you need to do that before you set out to get your stuff from your storage. And this is our storage unit here. So we put everything here. We're now taking it out, putting it in the truck, as you see, making sure that when you're packing your stuff up here, that you're not packing it in a way where when the truck moves it's going to slip and fall and break any items, but compact and orderly.
Hello.
And how are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Very well. Welcome back, you guys.
And here we are now stepping into our apartment. Right foot entering our kitchen, dining, living, bedroom.
in the meantime.
Don't have anything there. Down here it just talks about that we're partnered or that we're with the Alberta Home Warranty. Perfect. Go.
We're like getting that price.
You're
Come on,
Come
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going right there.
Congratulations, you guys.
Yay!
So we were lucky enough that the ramp came right down into our balcony. So good and easy for us to unmount and remove our belongings. And here's what it looks like now, keeping in mind that we wanted a Japandi minimalist look. Our U-Haul only cost $125 for the day, our public storage $31, and our real estate agent Kelly Prachar, priceless. We are very happy.